What'd you find there? Why don't you shoot some hoops? Can you shoot some hoops? Shoot your hoop. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Good job. High five. High five. Yeah, good job. Yay. Shoot again. Get it again. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball in your basket. Shoot the ball. Noxie, can you put it in the basket? Shoot the ball. Good job! Yay! High five! High five, Noxie. Good job. High five. Nox. Noxie. High five. Good job. High five. You're going to leave me hanging? Can you do it again? Shoot the ball. You want Mommy to shoot it? Okay, here I go. Yay! High five. Nox. High five. High five. Oh. Yay! No, we're going to stay.